Hi everyone, and you're welcome to the channel. My name is Diana Day, and today we're going to be doing a follow-up to our last video on Bitcoin, still the price action of Bitcoin. That's what we're going to be looking at for today. As you can see on the screen here, we actually broke a little below this initial support right here. We broke below it, we closed below it, and then got supported by this neckline around this area, right? So and we saw a push upward, and now we're back into this zone. So let me just highlight this area. I think it's already there, but the color is not. We drew it here last video. So okay, so you can see it now. It's clear. I just changed the color. So we got supported by this zone here, and then we're back in this zone. Now your question will be, should you get out of this, or should you buy more Bitcoin, or should you, well, like I said, you should always hold Bitcoin in your spot portfolio, regardless of what you're seeing on the screen right now, because I mean, Bitcoin is going to hit some numbers, okay, in the coming months. So yes, you should be holding Bitcoin. However, the price chart of Bitcoin is might be a little discouraging if you're looking at it on the daily time frame. Okay. However, if we drop below the 1 hour time frame, I'll be able to explain more things to you. But personally, I'm not going to be entering into any leverage positions right now until I see a very good, nice close above this zone, which is presently serving as resistance. And it becomes more evident, it becomes clearer when we drop to the 1 hour time zone. Okay. So I'm just going to wait for it to load here, and we're in the 1 hour time zone. As you can see, we actually formed a double bottom here, which was a good reversal pattern for us on this support zone, and it's pushed the price back upward to the next resistance. Now, another way to also check this is to see the possibilities of what price is likely going to do next. Hopefully, price pushes above and closes above this resistance, or we might get rejected from it and come down. But how far down are we likely to go if Bitcoin goes below this? Now, if I'm to take this my tool here, you'll see we have something like a head and shoulder pattern in this area, all right? And it's kind of giving us a neckline around this area. Now, if I'm to draw this to this point, we have a valid head and shoulder pattern. And I'm going to confirm it by using the head and shoulder pattern tool. Okay, so if we are to draw this here, we have the first shoulder, we have an head that came into this zone that then moved down here on to this. Okay, so that would put our neckline zone somewhere around this area. Okay, so yeah, and once we broke above the zone, we saw price move upward. So if price is likely to drop in the imminent short term, price is very much likely to drop to this neckline zone. I'm trying to elongate it. Okay, so if price drops, let's say price drops below this support zone, you can see price drop back to the neckline of this inverted head and shoulder reversal pattern, which would be somewhere around 64,800 thereabouts. And hopefully, if that doesn't happen, we can actually see price move upwards and push above this. What we're kind of having here is somewhat like a reverse price action candlestick entry pattern, which is looking more like a morning star, right? It's looking more like a morning star. So it's likely that price actually pushes above this and close up of this resistance right here, which is what we are hoping for. However, if that doesn't happen, we can see a retest of this neckline, get more liquidity and more support from it, and then push to create much more higher prices in the long term. So that is it for me for today's video on Bitcoin analysis. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you find my content useful. Also, don't forget to like and also comment. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and encourages me to create more videos. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Bye.